Hey everyone. So I just wanted to give you a small update on some quality stuff that is changing. Basically, it has have been changing 3 months ago, and that is water quality. I'm not sure if you can see, but my solar panels, I have been washing them from time to time with tap water, and previously 3 months ago I didn't had any kind of problems with limestone, but now I'm getting really really big stains from that tap water. So that means that our water quality is down, and I think it's big time down. So yeah, we'll need some limestone removal chemicals, which I can get at work, so I can clean my panels just by spraying that chemical on them, and it will remove all limestone. Also, greenhouse. Right now we are trying to save these cucumbers. It's second seeding for them. First one didn't. First time I seeded 10 cucumbers, but only one came up. Then some radish, carrots. Radish also is second seeding or even third. Green pea, it died. I also seeded 6 or 8 of them, but they didn't came up. Only one came up. Carrots the same. Some onions was here. They all survived this heat, and yeah, the rest just didn't even sprout out. So yeah, my cat is guarding my chickens. They are quite happy in here, but unfortunately I don't have a fund to make them an outdoor coop or a run yard. So yeah, we'll have to work on that. And yeah, system is doing quite good. Charging with 67 watts. After I'm pulling 40 watts for this fan, which is working 24/7 all day and all night, and system is capable to do it. Inverters are at around 30 degrees, quite warm, and I'm using only this charge controller right now. This one is hooked up, but I'm turning solar on only when there is cloudy weather and that kind of stuff. So yeah, also starting to work on wiring lights and getting house lights on system. So yeah, bought some of these to just place them over original light switches, and also this box, which I believe will control all my loads somewhere right here, so I can access them. And yeah, then I will just take a quite thick wire from here, from inverters to junction box, and yeah, we'll go from there. But basically, first goal is to get the lights running from system, and then everything else as much as I can. And so USB power bank is still waiting for few more batteries, because I didn't want it to left this place empty. So yeah, and from those last battery packs, these are the good cells, and they are basically coming out at 1855 milliamp hours, roughly 1800 milliamp hours for maybe each of them. So yeah, we'll start making extension for main battery bank, so I can increase capacity. Quite nice TV, got it for free because it has a faulty motherboard, but it can be replaced for 35 euros. So yeah, I'm looking for that. And yeah, this turbine is waiting her new wings. But I'm not sure when I will be able to make that wood frame to bend those blades in shape, but probably next week. So yeah, stay tuned guys on that. And yeah, everything else is the same. 3D printer needs Marlin software, firmware coded in Arduino, but this PC doesn't want to accept my Arduinos, any of them, because right now I have 2 here and one more somewhere, the new one I think, and yeah, it just doesn't let me write any code in any Arduino. So USB and drivers are whacked, and I even cannot fix them by installing new drivers. So yeah, bummer on that. And this one will wait when I will have a chance to write that Marwin firmware in it. And yeah, pile of everything. including this one. Little crappy thing. It works, but it just doesn't test these batteries as it should. I was expecting a little bit more of it, but yeah. Stops at 2.8 volts, but it's not getting real capacity because I'm not sure why. So yeah, we'll try it right now, but it's not gonna come with a real capacity. So yeah, bummer on this one. And yeah, okay guys, just a small update. Stay safe. Comment, like, share, as always. See you next time.